Hi guys, it's Angel here, and today this is like the first thing. I've never done this before, so it's going to be quite a good video, and I do this every single day, but today I didn't really do it. But we're doing a makeup, so we're putting makeup on me, so that's basically what we're doing today. It's actually kind of night time, so I'll be using this, and this has got some makeup. I'll be using this makeup palette, and this is all mine. It's none of my mummy's. This MAC lipstick, this blusher, these pearl fake earrings, and this makeup palette. So let's just get started on the video. But if you're new, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's just get started. So first I'll just be opening this bag. I don't know what's in it. I will probably be using this palette. I'll probably be using this palette right now. So first up, I'll be using this palette. It's very pretty. So I'll just be opening this. So I'm opening this right now, and I'm just going to get a brush to do it with. I'll probably just be using this one. So comment down below what colour I should use, all of them. I will be using this colour right here. So I'm just going to put that on right now. I'm just going to look at my mirror. I like orange, that's why I always use orange. I do my makeup really nice now though, guys. I don't know how nice it is because fans, if you like my makeup, give this video a thumbs up. Now just for my other eye. And I'm going to use that same exact colour for this eye as well, because I like this colour quite a lot. Boys out there, you'll probably not like this video, so I don't think you'll want to really watch this. If you like girls do makeup, you can watch it. That's all. I don't think little kids really do the makeup like this. I look like a teenager when I finish this. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Well, I love makeup so much. That's why I have so much. I have a massive box full of it. I have my bath stuff in there as well. I have some of it. I think that's good. So now I'll just close it up, and I'll put this back inside my bag. And who said this palette? You are correct. That's very good that you said that palette. You should have said that palette though, because I'm doing my eyeshadow. If you didn't say that, you're a bit. But that was a very good try if you said this. you said for eyeliner because that's still eye. So I'm just going to put this one on there. Which colour do you think I'll use out of the bottom ones? I actually don't know which colour I really want to use. I'll probably use this light, this like orangey pink. So I've just got it on my brush right now. I'm going to put that up here. Anyway guys, I'm not talking because I'm concentrating. Well, I'm trying to talk there. Someone in my class called Jacob, he always watches my videos. If you wanted to know who watches them. And I have no idea how many subscribers I have, but you can look if you want. You can just add up from all my videos, and then you'll know how many subscribers I have. We have so many pets. So I have a bunny and I have a chicken, but today we got a ferret. Ferret kill rats. So I think I might be done with this palette. Now I'm going to put this away. I'm going to put this away and put on eyeliner if I can find it. Actually, I won't put eyeliner on just now. I don't think I'll be able to find it. I'll put blusher on. Which blusher shall I use? Out of those two pinks, I'm going to use the dark. And I'm just going to blend it in if I have another brush like that. Yes, I do. Done. Now I am just going to add some of this. You add it around your face. This is like foundation. I'm not joking you, because I don't joke to my fans. I actually do have that many pets. And if you say that I am joking on a comment, I am not joking. Why do I look so pretty on the camera? And I actually am not this pretty. I'm actually not that pretty on the camera. I actually am that pretty there. With a makeup on there. Well, if it said at the zoo, no makeup allowed, I'd have to wipe all of my makeup off because I have a lot of makeup and I use all of it. there. Done that. Now I am going to add some eyeliner if I have any. If you wonder why I'm not adding any lipstick yet, that is not because I don't like lipstick. That's because and that noise was just me pouring out all my makeup. To see if I can find my eyeliner instead of that. I can add mascara. This is my mascara. I'm never going to put this on, but I am for you guys. Yeah, because I don't normally just wear this palette. Done. Done that. They look really pretty. Guys, can you just wait 1 sec? I just need to get one thing. Because I think I know where the eyeliner is. Just 1 second. I mean 1 sec. Guys, I am finally back. I've got another pack of makeup. I hope this is full of makeup because if it isn't, I'll be so mad. Oh yeah, it is. It's full of lots of things. I'll probably put this over my makeup. And this. Yeah, that will be perfect. Got 2 MAC and a different one. Yes, I need to put 3 lipstick on. Done that. Okay. That is very good that I've done that because no. Now I'll be adding this one onto my lips. This MAC lipstick. This is what the bottle is within. MAC lipstick. Done that. Now just for the shimmery one because I want my lips to shimmer. I have done that, guys.